This is the T12. It's a well-designed dress watch with a lot of features. You have all kinds of controls, including a flashlight, do not disturb, Bluetooth calling. You toggle on and off here, and it will connect or disconnect directly from your phone. Makes it real easy to switch between the two. Brightness, and of course, your overall settings are in here as well. These include changing the dial, so you can go into custom dials if you download those. You also have the themes, or whether you want your information in bubble style or linear, brightness, screen time, how long it'll be before it times out. The info on the watch and a bunch of other stuff is available as well. When you come this way, you get your step count for the day. You get your continuous heart rate, highs, lows, and immediately starts taking another heart rate. You have blood pressure. You can activate it from here. It does individual blood pressure readings. Blood oxygen using the red diode technology starts up immediately. You also have last night's sleep time, weather in your area too. Come back over here. Come down, you can get any information pushed to you from your phone that you're interested in. This button will take you into all of the different activities you can do, running and walking. No GPS, but you can tie it to your phone for getting tracking information from the phone's GPS. You also have over here that same training we just saw, your step count, phone, heart rate, all of the ones we just looked at. A music player is available, and again, this has got speaker and microphone in it for Bluetooth calling and music streaming. Stress, which is something different. It's showing you your stress on a regular daily basis. And mood, it will actually tell you what your mood is at the moment, and seems to be doing an interesting job of that. You got breath rate, and you got breath training in here. This will actually compute your overall breath rate at the moment. You got a couple of games and your Siri type thing and a bunch of functions, stopwatches, timers, flashlight, calculator, and on and on and on. It is a very nice, like I said, attractive dress watch. It's got a solid bill, silver or black, metal all the way around, Bluetooth calling. Beautiful watch. It's called the T12. Check it out.